Welcome to our state-of-the-art bottle packaging production line. The filling machine features 4 diving nozzles using magnetic pumps, ensuring accurate and efficient filling. Once the bottles are filled, they proceed to the CO2 laser marking machine. Then the bottles move on to our capping machine. The pneumatic cap press ensures the position, while the following rubber wheels provide reliable and tight closure. Your juice bottles will be leak-proof and ready for the next step. Using an application belt for wraparound labeling, the labeling machine guarantees accurate and aesthetically pleasing results. Then the wrapping machine automatically stacks the bottles, ensuring efficient handling. Additionally, it applies a protective film, safeguarding your juice bottles during transportation. The final step in our production line is the shrink tunnel. Here, heat is applied to the film, causing it to shrink tightly around the bottles. This ensures a secure and tamper-evident packaging solution. Whatever your packaging needs are, you can rely on ZONESUN.